Well, we know many of you are dealing with financial concerns like small business loans, and we want to help you rebound. That's why we've launched this campaign to give you a voice during this time of frustration and help you get back on your feet. Tonight, we're talking about an uneven playing field. That's how some small business owners describe the state and federal stimulus loan options that were available. WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada explains why some business owners say those loans are creating other problems.
Making just enough to break even, co-owner of Papi Chulo Tacos in Jupiter, Cleve Mash, says he's been able to offer curbside service, but his other business of 21 years, the Pawn Shop nightclub in downtown West Palm Beach, is completely shut down.
What we're seeing now is you're seeing employees that are taking jobs at other restaurants, and so all that training and all that work that we put into having this time with that employee, now we're losing them all to other restaurants who have received the money who are able to pay.
Mash believes granting big corporations and restaurants Paycheck Protection Program loans over small businesses has created an unfair advantage.
If you're getting the money first and you can hire employees, it's like free agency right now.
Small business owners who also applied for the Emergency Bridge Loan Program in Florida say the program ran out of money. Out of nearly 38,000 applicants, only 1,000 businesses were granted loans of up to $50,000.
And of course, it becomes even more frustrating to see the same business owner receive multiple loans, some even $100,000 loans, when that money could have been more evenly shared.
Mash says even getting certain loans at this point might hurt more than help.
Right now, there's no end in sight for us because the loan program was going to be forgivable till June.
Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.